In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button labels in Shopify. Understanding how to customize button labels in Shopify is a handy skill, especially if you're aiming to have your online store reflect your brand's unique voice and style. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to make your way to the Shopify site editor. This is a powerful tool where you can make various adjustments and customizations to the look and feel of your online storefront. Once you're in the site editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the options it presents. You'll notice a preview of your site on the right and a set of controls and settings on the left. The next step is to identify the button on your site that you wish to change. This could be a Buy Now button, a Sign Up button, or any other call to action that you might have on your page. Click directly on this button. Once you click on it, you'll see something interesting happen. The settings for that button will immediately appear on the left panel of your screen. This is where the magic happens. In the left settings panel, you'll see various options to adjust the button's appearance and function. Among these settings, you'll spot a text box labeled Label. This text box is your gateway to altering the text that appears on your button. Simply click into the label field and change the existing text to whatever new label you'd like your button to display. Feel free to get creative here. Make sure the new label aligns with the message and style you want your store to convey. Whether it's enticing customers to explore or encouraging them to check out with just a single click, the label you choose can make a significant impact. Once you've typed in your desired text, take a moment to review your changes in the site preview on the right side. This will show you exactly how your new button label looks on your site in real time. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the new label, that's all there is to it. You've now successfully updated your button's label. This quick change can really enhance your site's functionality and aesthetic, providing a more tailored experience for your customers. It's a simple adjustment, but can have a profound impact on how visitors interact with your page. I hope this guide has empowered you to confidently customize your button labels in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!